loving the sparkle.
It's actually a shirt, but thank you.
Yeah. So
Disco.
Yes.
Guys, I've just got to eat these biscuits.
Yeah. Enjoy. So Lynn had such a badass season last season. She got to be, just not just to be the doctor, but she got to be in action and stuff like that. What can you tease about? Because it feels like her role is just expanding, and I just love that. So with the Markovians coming, what can you tease?
Well, the thing that we do know about Lynn is that she will do whatever it takes. She's already said that. I'll do what it takes. I'll do what it takes to protect my family. I'll do what it takes to save the green light babies. She's done it with the mine. She's done it in the lab. She's done it with the shotgun. I mean, she killed a guy in season 1. And in season 2, she beat Dr. Jace. So I think knowing Salim and knowing the way our show is, which is never what you expect, now they've sort of revealed that she has this dimension that I truly believe that's something we're going to see more of as it gets more. Now we're basically going to war with the Markovians, that's going to look pretty crazy. And also I don't think you're going to see the Pierce family together for quite a while. I don't think there's going to be any more tables, or dinner around the tables or in the kitchen. Not for a while. I think I know, it was cute, but things are getting serious. So, everyone is kind of scared for what's going to happen. Freeland's basically now at this point sort of on lockdown. So it's pretty apocalyptic. So no one's going to be whipping up some pasta in the kitchen, and, So yeah, that's basically. I kind of haven't really told you anything. That is, I haven't really given. There's no spoiler alert, I don't think, but hopefully that's enough to tease out.
Is this different for you though from an acting process? Because those family scenes, while they're not as relevant, they really did kind of help ground the show, and there was a heart to them and a sort of emotion to them that you miss getting to play that.
Hang on. It's different. The family dynamics are always going to be there. It's just not going to look like it looked in season 2. Does that make sense? There's still the intimacy, there's still these very real conversations that feel very like husband and wife talking things through. They're just talking about different things. It's more about survival. But there's still this sense of, him not wanting the girls to be doing what they're doing, and there's still the idea that Jennifer's out there, doing, and then Nafisa's doing what she shouldn't be doing. So there's still, those dynamics are still playing out. It's just like a shift in a different direction. They're still going to feel like a family, but there's just the stakes are high. It wouldn't be right, we have to ratchet up. That's the thing, because we've made everyone fall in love with the family. And now it's kind of okay, but now you've got to come with us on this, crazy train,
Well, if you're a slow-moving episode, if you all just want the pizza.
Yeah, exactly.
So, the first season until now, the family dynamic has switched quite a bit. Can you tell me a little bit more about where your characters started to how they kind of switched roles?
Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest with you. When the show started, I didn't realise the direction that Lynn was going to go. I genuinely thought, she's the mum. She's going to be the mum in the show, and she's going to be the sort of, voice of calm. And God, how wrong I was. And actually, I think what they've done with her is kind of give her this equal standing, in terms of family. And also, they've made her the glue, and they've made her the kind of, to a point, the voice of reason. All that stuff's gone out the window now, because now she just wants to figure out what's going on with these green light babies. So I think reason might have gone out the window. But I think, she's gone in a direction which has just given her, she's much more multi-dimensional than I imagined. And as an actor, I love that.
Thanks very much.
Thank you so much.
Sorry guys, I spent a lot of